Ayo, ayo, daylight come and you want to go home. Hopefully everybody watched the landing. That was good times, man. I was watching with Henyan. She gets like so freaking excited. It's like so contagious. I was like, man, you're so excited. I'm freaking excited. Hell yeah, brother. I'm looking for something. What am I looking for? I don't know what I'm looking for. Oh, I know what I'm looking for. Hello. I'm looking to play these things. I'm here, never fear. I was watching the thing. Not the landing. I guess it's the landing. Hello, clips isometric. Clips isometric. Something. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right. Oh man, I'm so freaking tired. I'm growing and big. Man, I don't like this, like my scroll thing on here affects my oh yeah, I remember it's definitely not the name. It's definitely not the name coming up on the screen. It's definitely not that. It's definitely not that. So I was playing around. Wait a second. Oh. This is my laptop. This is my laptop. I was watching this. All right, so play this. I got the volume down. It doesn't come out of here. It comes out of my laptop. So if I like turn up the volume on it.
What does that mean? Like, if I like something, I go see it again. I don't think I'd go see the Minecraft movie again. But like,
That's my microphone.
I just turn off my brain and laugh at a few jokes.
My laptop in the corner. And then I was like checking this. I was like, it's like all CPU, dude. This is doing like, oh man, when they move a lot, variable bit rate. Check out like this though. Uses up like there's 4 cores, like 16, 4 cores, 8 threads. It's an old like 600 line. What is the CPU? So I'm going to use this for certain things. Like, I wonder if I can get on the Twitch here. It's my quote unquote headless. Man. Henya. So fucking small. Can I make this bigger? I think I have to do it through here. It's Raminya. Oh, is this her right now? Yeah. I wonder if I can like make it bigger. Donations. I can't do it like a remote desktop though. It's kind of acting weird on me with that. But this is this what I'm doing is what is it, the desktop, like the mirrored desktop, I guess. Is that what they call it? So we got that going for us. I thought like the video thing here. SSH options. So you can go SSH into it. So, but I'll just like bring up like a terminal. It's like, well, I guess we can do that. I mean, like, why don't I just use the command line? I don't know what the like what would be like the better. Okay, so we got quality, best, slowest. I guess I can do like good. So it's not like killing my fucking. I don't need to be the best. Medium. Honestly, like, I didn't notice any difference. Security level. Yeah, there's like tons of options. I was trying to see like where I can do like an upscale. Use initial window size. Okay. Disable smooth scrolling. Span screen over multiple monitors. No. Yeah, it says remote desktop, but this is not the remote desktop. I use the port for the what's it called? For the thing. You know the thing. Audio output mode? Local? Or wait a minute, remote. What's kind of weird though, like before, like I could see like a thing at the top here let me know that it's recording. Share, I think it's shared desktop. Here, let me see. Let's go to settings. I might have to reset the PC, I don't know. So you go like into remote desktop thing. And I'm doing the shared desktop remote control. Shit. There you go. And this says, and then like when I did the remote login, remotely connect to your user account when when it isn't being used. So I logged myself out and then tried to log in and like nothing would happen. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I set up like, I think I could ping it from here. Ping at 55.159:3389. Why can't I do that? Is it because like I have like maybe I blocked the port? Well, that's what I'm using right now. It wants me to do. Okay, we got 3390, 3389. I guess we can't do that. Name or service not known. Oh, fuck off. Anyways. Let's see what this is. Is it like killing my... It's been better. I put this all the way down. And let's see this. Holy fuck. Anyways, let's close this shit. Yeah, before I could like log out here, so I don't know what happened. I think I could just do this. Or what's this? Disconnect? There we go. It's disconnected now. There we go. I'm surprised how much like how much it was doing over here. Like, I wonder if you could set it up so it uses like GPU to encode. I don't know why it's using CPU. It looks like it's probably using like H.264 or something. It's probably using H.265 because I think that's open source. Ow. So yeah, I can SSH into it now. So this is me into it. I installed Go. I wonder if I can just like hit Chrome. Wait a second. Let's exit this. And -X. Chromium. X server? What? I probably got to enable it on my other computer. Fuck off. Well, I was hoping to get like... I wonder if I have to have it open on there. I don't know. Like if I launched the program on my end, or would I have to launch it like through remote? That's the question. So I got another laptop. Oh, I was wanting to show this actually. You can just double click right into it. So where's the settings? Ah, shit. I wish I can just do this. So settings. And system. Secure shell. I thought about, there it is. Good old Intel i7 6700HQ with 32 gigabytes of RAM. 3.0 terabytes of SSD space. So it comes with like I got the Ubuntu, which is on a 1 terabyte NVMe drive, and then I got a 2 terabyte SSD in there. I think I'm going to be taking that shit out. I'm going to put smaller things in it. I was thinking maybe, just maybe doing some like video editing on this, but I think it's just done. I think it'd be better just to like remote into this PC and then do, do editing. So that's what I was thinking. So I was kind of thinking about, speaking of thinking, like this, this was bothering me because I had ors there. And I was like, not or. I was like, if any of these are true, then it's gonna go through. Wait a second. I can't think straight. I had to switch it to this. I had to freaking think about it. I'm pretty sure like I don't want like any of these. Maybe I still kept this like false. If this is false, this is false, and this is false. If those are all false, then it's true. And that's what I wanted to go into here. Yeah. I don't want like, the other way would have been like, it could have had like, it would have been true if any one of these was on there. Would that be okay? It would have skipped immediately over it, I think. I don't know, man. I don't know. Am I smoking crack here? Now I'm like all confused. So I did this. And then I did this. Oh, wait a second. This. True, 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 false. False, true, true, true. So if they were all true, it would have been false. And that would have been bad, I think. So yeah, I wouldn't never grabbed what I needed. Right? Is that? Oh my gosh. Originally true. I don't know. I'm going crazy over this here. I'm going fucking crazy over this here. I'm like, my brain is not like logically doing this. If A not, B not, C not, and gate. If these are, that's why I wrote it. If A equals false. So I took this out. Let's erase this. Let's erase this. Now I'm like, going crazy. Okay, so if A is false, B is false, and C is false, then we're good. Because yeah, I think I got it here. I think I needed an AND gate. I needed an AND gate. Because when it's like because what I'm looking for, if it's not that, then it's true. Here, let me show. So if it's looking for JSON, if it has suffix, if it doesn't have the suffix, then it will be true. And if it doesn't have text, it'll be true. And if it doesn't have SRT, it'll be true. And if that's true, we go into here and then we split this and then did I grab something and just throw it over? I gotta be careful with that. And then we'll do the string contains file name split x1. So that basically looks for this. And then like if it looks for and it sees Twitch. Now I gotta check like the downloads. I think I did put that in the video downloads, like where I'll put like Twitch and all that shit. Ugh, this says YouTube. So on the Twitch one, yeah, it says Twitch, so I put the U flag on there. That's why I'm using U flag now. That is exactly why I'm using U flag. And so then we're putting the file name into the video path. Found true, break. So I also thought about doing this. I was like looking up, check your taxes. I know like Twitch is only like MP4s. But I was thinking about going through this too. Google accepts, oh, wait a second. Let's go back on this one. What the fuck? I didn't say Google. I meant like, what if, I thought I had it up. So list of YouTube file extensions. Video. Yeah, they use like they'll accept like MP4s, .movs, WebMs, .avi, weapons of mass video, FLV, MPEG. Why are they? What's with all this pegging? So I think I might like save these things at it. I've seen like a something. I've seen an A something. Up to 256 gigabytes or 12 hours. There we go. Okay, here. HEVC VC ProRes. All right. Cineform. I think I'd just be better off like looking for like if it's not those three. But I guess I could like check these too. I don't know. What the fuck? Where's my one thing? Hold on. Oh, there it is. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I gotta close some windows. There we go. Nya, 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 nya. Ooh, get down tonight. Okay, I think we'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. Okay. We got a worker. Maybe we need to have like a chat downloader. Before we serve it up though, for each like download content. So here we go. We'll do like a funk C star content creator. I don't think we should have it on the, well, should we do it like a, do they have to close it? Huh. When you start doing like these things, it can kind of get like a little, maybe I don't want to be in content creator. Jobs Chan, add YouTube, add Twitch. Before we go on to it, I think like here. Okay. Get member. Get date and member. There we go. And funk. Now C dot. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, it'll check this, so. We might need to do like I think here, like this YouTube, I think here, channel update content. Get initializer. Update info. Where does it get the member and all that shit? Okay. I think for here though, I should make this like a. Here, let's do this. We'll make this we'll do that. And then we're gonna make a thing like in here that will that'll update it already. Hell. Because I gotta check to see if there's gonna be conflict, right? Like if there's like a dual stream, I need to get the date on these things. So it's that or like check the I need to check the dates and check the get date and member and all that. So yeah. So how do I know? Let's check this like we got date. Date equals must text. What the fuck is this? Update info. How does it know that shit? Is that must? What the fuck? Did I already do this? I don't. What? When do I do this? I think that there, I think it just puts like when it's going to come out and everything. So, yeah. I just want to check something here. Okay, update info. Where's the get? The get. Fine, I'll make you. Fine. Where is that? Where was I at? Download video. Yeah, I'm not in download. Ah, shit. No wonder I couldn't find it. Can I split left? Control Shift Z. Why does this have this here? Do I hit? All right. So, split and mute. Oh, wait a second. There we go. There we go. And this one. Get links. All right, so it doesn't like this. What? See that YouTube? So get info. No sandbox. Update info. Oh, Henya is like really quick today. Where do I use these? Oh. All right, so I see. Now I remember this one. Now I remember this one. I did this to like speed shit up. Because there's something I always do. So, but like in here, like it'll just say like, when it grabs the date, I smell bacon. My parents must be home. My mom likes to make the bacon before. She likes to make the bacon. The fuck? I'm gonna close this. She likes to make the bacon the day before or the evening before, but like they went to go visit my sister and her son. They just had my nephew just had a baby with his wife. They did some baby making and out popped a baby after 9 months. It's fucking crazy. So I am I'm a great uncle now. Fuck my life. Thank you. I helped out a lot. I coached them. I coached them. Gross? Oh. What's so nasty about that? Pump it harder. Make sure you leave it in there. All right. Make sure you leave it in there. You gotta do it. You gotta go balls deep. You gotta go balls deep. Anyways. Pippa just sent something. I'm gonna see what it was about. She's been in Japan. Oh, I just missed it. I'm gonna be a bit longer. Didn't get to hang out with everyone and didn't get to go. So what does this mean? I'm gonna stay a bit longer. Oh, okay. Flight extension. Oh crap! I can't spell worth shit. You able to extend the Airbnb? Wait a second. You talking stream-wise? Wise or staying? I was assuming staying in Japan-wise. I should probably uppercase Japan. This is like huge, dude. Yeah. There you go. He's like on this like, is that Robert De Niro? Oh yeah. All right, so I don't know whether I should make this upper. Fuck my life, man. Fine, we'll just do this. This is all killing me. And the more I think about it, the more I'm thinking I really need. I think I really need to do SQL. I think I really need to do it. Yeah. Okay, so I think I need to do this too. Get, wait a second. I think I need to make this lowercase. Makes things easy. Yeah, I'm thinking like me saving this shit all the time, but like I think like just having a fucking lookup, like looking up tables and shit, it's just gonna be so much fucking easier to do than what I'm trying to fucking do with my JSON here. And I think I can get, and I should probably, yeah. All right, so, should I call it like content? Info, it's info. So v star info, get date and is member. No, update. There we go. And I don't need the URL because I should probably already have it. You ever need to transfer or back up a table, you can run a command to convert it to CSV. Yeah, I'm thinking like tying things together too, because what you can do is just have like a, you know, like you can tie tables together. I'll just have to come up with a schema, and then I wonder if there's like a schema like maker online. I know you can kind of make them. It's been a while. I know you can kind of make them in some programs. Yeah, you can do a join. You can kind of like join them and then like just search certain things, right? I think like there's also data model programs. Yeah, I just think like, yeah, if I like do like the date and stuff, I can call it. I can call a function and be like, which all these like has not been downloaded, right? And then like it'll bring up like a list of that, right? And then I can just have at it, and then I can update each table as they go. Yeah. Huh. All right. I'm kind of afraid to put it on TrueNOS. I just don't know how much space it's going to take. Uh, 251? 253? 251? There it is. Very little. So I can like spin one up here, right? Now the problem is, it's like I've had like, just don't store blobs. Yeah. I was just gonna make everything a file, right? And I was thinking like also like I can make like a little web server, and it can like pull shit up like a lot easier on this too, right? Binary large object. What the fuck am I looking for? Okay, okay. I'm gonna look this up. Okay, so like, first of all, my experience with like the apps being used on TrueNAS, I've only done one, and it wasn't that great of an experience. So I'm a little like, if you want to do one, do Postgres. Object relational database system provides reliability and data. So let me memory object caching system. How reliable are the databases on TrueNAS? Okay. Is it to use like databases on TrueNAS using, what do they call this, an app? Use TrueNAS apps. Generally reliable for basic official supporting containers. Benefit is ZFS data protection. MariaDB is a clone of MySQL. Postgres has a lot of plugins if you need them. They can offer easy deployment for beginners, but advanced users often find the catalog limited and updates rigid. While convenient, using TrueNAS as a heavy application server can make it less stable compared to dedication virtualization program like Proxmox. Maybe I'll use Proxmox. I got like 2 terabytes on this Proxmox. Is there anything wrong with these things? 6 months ago. So I had like I was running a Pal World server off the TrueNAS, and then it fucking went bad. Like they did an update, and so I tried to do an update through the TrueNAS, and then like I couldn't get into the fucking, it would never update. I tried to reset it, it would never reset. I couldn't get into it, nothing. Supabase. I think I might do it. So TrueNAS is just Debian Linux with some custom software and apparently its own app repository. Proxmox, it's also Debian Linux with its own custom software and templates for installing apps. Vtubers, believe it or not, is also... Shut the fuck up, man. There's so many of us who wouldn't bother with TrueNAS. We just use Linux and it's fine. Don't need a VM most of the time. Well, see, people like this drive me up the wall because you didn't like incoming rant. I'm new to Homeland stuff. Past month, I feel like I spent an enormous amount of time not get very far. Well, yeah, you just went not very far too. It seems like to me people are unintentionally making things more complicated than they need to be for no reason. Super consumer friendly. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust something here. There we go. So I went a day setting up wait a second. I was told using Proxmox with TrueNAS for storage, wasting hours researching the pros and cons of different options. But since I have no idea what anyone is talking about, I decided to go with it and learn by doing. At least I wouldn't waste any more time glazing over at these concepts that are over my head. So I spent a day setting up Proxmox and learning how that works. Then I spent another day setting up with TrueNAS VM on Proxmox. That's fucking crazy. They said I needed a Linux VM to spin up Docker containers. What the fuck? Never mind. This guy is like nuts. Let's go into Proxmox. You can borrow my Docker compose, and I can help you set up the VM if you want. Is it on the... So I have to use Docker with it? Yeah. Okay. It's super simple. I think I might like save both. I'm getting scared. Let me finish this function first. Okay. What's the errors in this shit? Members only. Okay, so I definitely want to take it all in anyway. All right. Even if it's false code. Yeah. T-error, what the fuck is going on with this? Anyways. Right. I was looking in the wrong spot. Oh no, I wasn't. All right, so v.date fuck comma v dot v dot member. Oh gosh. All right. Comma error equals get. All right. Yeah. And I guess in the URL, so v dot link I think I just hit return, like it'll automatically return it. There you go. Error. What the fuck? VV. Since I'll just do this. It looks better. Ugh. What's the worst that'll happen? Okay. Okay, what's it called? Supa base. Supa base requirements. Damn. For Supa base. I think she means. So I was thinking about that. I still think. So I was thinking that was what I was thinking. But then it could have been stream. Been tonight's stream. A stream for tonight. There you go. I didn't get to get. Wait a second. I think I'm going to. Yeah, I know. Maybe she is talking about like. That's all good. Super base. I think super bad. Okay, so self-hosting, you need a server with at least 2 cores. System resources required. Holy shit. Ubuntu LTS recommended. Manage platform requirements. So what do you run yours on? I was thinking about maybe giving it system resources. But do you do like 16 gigabytes of RAM and 4 cores or 8 gigabytes? You do like 64 gigabytes of RAM? Where's my Proxmox? 2 core and 4 gigabytes? Holy shit, dude. You can handle that? The minimum requirements nowadays is at least 6 gigabytes for Ubuntu. Where's my Proxmox? Okay. Do I do it on this one? I think I actually do my Proxmox on Firefox for some odd reason. Oh, maybe I just do my pfSense on there. Never mind. I don't remember my Proxmox fucking server number. IP. Is it 2? It's not 251. Is it 253? No. Wait a second. Oracle. There it is. What's my password? Oh shoot. I wish this was auto update. Where's that shit at? Shit, I don't remember what it is. There's my pools and shit. I turned this one down, right? Wait, is this on? All right, that's cool. Okay, that's actually the Proxmox. Okay. Where's the fucking update thing? No. Yeah, compose. Oh. On Discord. Live chat. What the heck, Grateful? What you doing, man? can't be disrespecting my Oshis like that. Store, it's not storage, okay? Like, where the fuck is it? Options. Install updates, Proxmox. Can't believe I have to do this. Proxmox. Data center updates. Okay. Where's updates? Package list. Oh my gosh. Why am I going brain dead here? Data center. Maybe I have to hit this. Oh, there it is. Upgrade? No subscription repository is not recommended for production use. All right. Refresh. All right. There you go. Man, half a gig. What? So fast. So fucking fast, dude. I'm thinking about tearing down this machine and making it my my work machine. I love this. I use the same like processor and motherboard for my streaming PC. It's 7950. Oh, it's a 79 like 49 or something like that. I can't remember exactly what it is. It's like the laptop version of the 7950 X. Yeah. What is this? I think I can look at it in here. Hold on a second. Holy shit. My scenes. All right. I might have to stop this for a second. My Neko is like all over the place. I'm gonna stop the stream for a second. Let's see if it gets steady. There we go. Oh, I was gonna check this. CPU. Oh yeah, and it like the base speed though is like at 2.5, but you know it's never gonna be that, and it like constantly boosts up to like 4. It's like 499, 5 gigahertz. It shows 5 gigahertz now. Like yeah, it's a beast. It's a 7945HX. All right. I should close that. Why just leave? I closed it, bitch. All right, so I think here, do I do data center? You can tell how often I set up a new like server. All right, so local network PVE, local PVE. What the fuck is this shit? All right. Create a VM. 302. Name. Super. Base. Resource pool. Pool's closed. Start at boot. There we go. Use CD disk image file location. NVMe OS image. I got it somewhere. Local. What the fuck? It's somewhere on here. Unable to activate storage NVMe. Are you fucking serious? What the fuck? It's not mounted. How do I mount it? So I got like SSD that holds my OS here. Then I got like a pool. This one's closed. I don't want to start it. Hardware. Options. Options, task manager. I'm gonna restart this. Disks. It's only showing my one device. There's no way that that fucking SSD, that fucking NVMe died on me and did it. I hardly fucking used it. I don't know if Spice. Oh, fuck this. Cancel that. Disk. Oh my gosh. Exit. There we go. Yeah. Hopefully it'll show up after I reboot it. You filled the fucker up. I mean, I hardly have anything on this, like, on this here too. How much of this did I use up? Did this reboot? Let me hit this. Okay, it's loading. Excellent. Oh, NVMe. I can't believe we couldn't find that. Oh, there it is. What's a CT? Should I just make a container, or like, do I have to use the Docker Compose? Do a VM. All right. This helps me remember shit. So I think I'm gonna put it at I think I reserved 50 through 70. So at 71, I'll make a Proxmox server. I'll say that's my this will be my super based DB thingy. There you go. 71. C#, what the fuck's wrong with you? What's this? 2 cores? Oh man, it's like really loading. I'm gonna save all my fucking videos on there. Just kidding. Here's the thing, like, okay. So I save the files on well, I guess like a network storage. FTP. Ooh. Huh. Then I'd have to fucking transfer. I got like tons of files on there already. Fuck. I have to rewrite all that. All right. That's a new move volumes. You can also move the volumes if needed. Where's my TrueNAS? There you go. Yeah. I thought I'd put this so it doesn't start at boot any longer. How do I edit this? Okay. There you go. I currently have on OS level, but I'm probably creating a mounted volume if it's too big. Oh, you can create it for the database. I always like the. Well, let's look to see how much I got. So I got NVMe. How much is being used to this? Can I see? Question mark. Oh no, man. I think my fucking. I think my thing went bad. Let's start this. Well, how is it like this is installed on my... This is installed on my NVMe. Hold on a second. Hardware. How can I tell, like, which disk? Yeah. Hard disk. Oh, wait a second. That's not it. How can I tell where I'm like running the VM from? Like where I save the stuff. What you were clicking on is a VM, but I'm wanting to know like where like I save the VM data at. So I thought I could be able to look at it here. Go one level up. Okay. Because this should be like... I can't believe this went bad. I've never had a fucking NVMe go bad on me. You said one level up, like PV. VNME, what? This one's like clicking here saying like, if you're saying this, it's not, ooh, you can't see anything. I have a big old question mark right here and it's not showing. But I'm pretty sure like I store the like the hard drive. Ah, fuck. I'm pretty sure the hard drive comes from my NVMe. Like that's where I store all the data for my server. Why can't I move this? Cancel. I just want to change the size. There we go. Is that too? That is the current OS. You want to hop on a call? Sure. I'm so fucking lost here. I'm about to lose my mind. can't even sign into fucking Discord right now. What the fuck? I right click on it, click on Discord, nothing happens. Discord's end the task. Now work, bitch. There we go. All right. Piece of shit. General. Am I connected to this shit?
Hello.
Hey, am I small? I'm fucking tiny. There we go.
I think when you roll, it kind of affects your model.
Yeah. I don't know what it didn't do this with my other mouse. It's been doing it with this fucking Kensington.
Huh. So from what I see, so local is the one that your OS is on.
It shouldn't be
So
on
you
that.
have- well, I mean that's what it's on.
Piece of shit.
Or did you install the VM on NVMe?
Install the VM on the NVMe.
Oh, can you go to hardware?
Hardware.
On the VM. Okay, so the disk is on local.
How do you know that? Where does it show that?
It says at the very beginning local : on hard disk SCSI0, and then if you double click on it, you can actually change it over, I think. Or not double click, but edit. Yeah. Well, let's see. Oh, that's weird. It doesn't give much information other than that.
So probably can't even fucking change this. I think I did some.
You have to pause the VM, or you could just, since it's brand new, you could just delete it, right?
No, this is like my old Power World one.
Oh.
That's why I'm thinking.
You can pause it, and you can actually put the hard drive somewhere, or put the volume somewhere else.
Here's the thing, like I know I set it up on here, on this NVMe. I am almost like 100% sure.
Here, let me look at mine and see what it says, because I have it also. Yeah, mine's also set up on local.
Well, I also saved my ISO images on here. I'm able to expected the mount point, but no mounting point.
What happens if you click on local and then ISO? I'm curious.
What's that?
When you click on the local PVE.
Yeah.
And then click on ISO. Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, because I put them all on my fucking.
So if you go to VM disks, will it show stuff?
It's not showing shit.
That's local LVM.
Is there like a backup on here?
Yeah, there it is.
What the fuck is going on here? I know, I'm pretty sure I set it up under NVMe and not local. How's this disk fucking bad? I think I'm gonna cry. That's a 2 terabyte fucking NVMe.
Don't cry.
And now they're probably like $300 now or something. I don't know.
You might have to reboot.
I just
like. Oh, did you just boot it?
Yeah. Let me. Can I like? Okay. What's the IP address for this?
You could go to PVE and then you could go to the shell and then you can like muck around on there. Or you could do it in the terminal. That's probably better.
I thought I've done this before. Oh, I'm in my other computer. Sure. What was my password?
Password 123.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What'd you use to log into Proxmox?
I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is pointing at like another. Before I added like a new nick to this is pointing at like at another thing. So I added like a new nick like after I installed Proxmox. Oh, that was a fucking nightmare. And
yeah, it sucks because it like statically acquires the IP address and then it fucks everything up.
Yeah, I spent like fucking hours trying to fix it.
It is not a happy camper when it does that.
I think I just typed Derek it. And that's why I'm kind of wondering like it's root. That's my problem.
I think you need to log in as root.
What the fuck? Maybe it's admin.
Well, how did you get into the browser?
Because I save it all in my fucking save it on my browser.
I have LastPass. I save everything in there, and it's an amazing tool.
LastPass.
Yeah, I used to use KeyPass, but I was like, I don't want to store this in Google Drive anymore.
Check disks in Proxmox term. Okay.
What is that one? Is it LS Bisc or something that it's called? Where you can like look at drives? Bisc.
Okay.
Bisc.
It doesn't show it.
Oh man. It's like not even, it's like, it doesn't even show up.
It's not even showing up. Rescan disks. Let's do like that.
And it's not like falling out.
Unable to activate storage. Directory expected to be mount point, but is not mounted. Yeah. Can I remount it?
I mean, the main thing that you want to make sure is that it can detect it first before you can mount it.
That's what I was trying to do. Like, I don't even think it sees it because I think it still gives it like a device thing, right? Like an SD something.
Hello.
Okay.
Smart is just like such a weird tool. 90% of the time it doesn't tell the right thing. I have an actively failing drive and it says it's okay. Here, let me...
I think, okay, what did I say? I think I might have a bad NVMe in my Proxmox machine. How can I check?
Did you run LSBLK?
Yeah.
And it's not even showing up as NVMe.
Let's try this again. LSBLK. No, I'm not seeing it.
is the server like right next to you?
It's in the other room. It's in a rack.
Something that might be worth doing is, and it's gonna sound sketch. Turning it
Yeah.
off, taking out the NVMe, and then putting it back in.
Yeah.
Reseat it.
Well, I can like also, I got like a,
Or if you have one of those like USB NVMe scanners, you could check if it's still good on a Windows or Mac PC.
trying to see, I think I got like a external thing. I could probably put that in.
Would work.
I'm just gonna find the, found one on the ground.
So you're telling me Power World's gone?
I turned it off.
Still there.
I thought I turned. Oh yeah, I think I like said something out there. I am going to like update that's not there. Like no one's like said like, hey, I can't log into it.
Oh, I wonder if it like transferred to local somehow.
I was gonna set up like several different ones, but now like I can't fucking do anything. Like, I'm so pissed off.
Also, I think your local instance is very small.
My local instance.
Your local, like what Proxmox rests on. Because I like allocated the entire drive to Proxmox, and then I can just allocate them.
Yeah. Let me write a thing here. Pal World server is suspended. There we go.
Oh no.
There we go. I don't want to have to fucking go there and undo it. I don't think I'm ready.
Move the drive afterwards.
Yeah.
Because what you could do is you could allocate it in the local first,
Yeah.
and then you can move it.
Yeah.
It's actually.
I think I had a backup here in the. It was accidentally stored in my backups in the local, and that's probably where it grabbed it. I wonder if that was the case.
That's pretty nifty.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah, you
going
might
to.
want to delete your LL or your local LVM, and then
Yeah.
just like allocate the rest as local.
That's LVM. Okay, let's look at my disks.
So it's meant to be like for LVM, but you can like have local do that for you.
Yeah.
So it's kind of just wasting space currently. Like 800 gigabytes is just like unused.
What are the LVMs for? Is for my VMs?
It can be for like the LXV or the container type things that they have on Proxmox, but you could just use local. I could send you the commands on how to expand it if you want.
How much of this do I use? I can't just like do I have nothing in it?
Yeah, there's
Okay.
nothing in there.
Can I just like I can't adjust it here?
No, you need to do it through the command line. It's pretty simple. It's like 3 commands. Here, I'll put it in live chat.
So wait a second.
You just do that.
And
then it'll give all the storage to local.
my usage. Hey, here's the thing, like my server here.
Mhm.
How many gigabytes I give it? I thought I gave it like I gave it 128. In my local here, it says I only got like 100 available.
Yeah, but you got an extra 800 in that LVM one.
Yeah. I think I was wanting to put my like any kind of like LXD things in there, but then I ended up not doing that.
I think
All right.
LXC containers can go on local too.
I can.
Yeah.
Pull up this.
Yeah, it's just 3 commands, and then it should like just completely give you 800 more gigabytes.
Update. I'm gonna try restarting it. I might like turn off the power and turn it back on. I think that's what I'm gonna do.
You got to go to PVE and then you go to shell. Or if you want to do it through the command line, you could do that too.
LVR move. What the fuck is this shit? Resize the whole thing.
It's basically giving all of the storage to root, which is local.
Okay. Yeah, someone else like help me set this up. I don't know the reason exactly they're doing it this way. Oh shit. Oh great. There we go. LVRE remove.
Mm-hmm. That's remote.
Stinking autocorrect. Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, fuck it. I don't give a shit. My shit's all fucking broke. I don't care if this thing. I'm gonna throw this. I'm so pissed. I think I have.
Yeah,
I have a fucking huge ass fucking fan on it too.
On the NVMe drive.
Yeah, it's like. Hold on a second. I'll do this. Okay, 100% free. This sounds like a scam. Nothing's 100% free.
I know it does. It's so crazy. And then you also need to put that other portion called like dev /dev.
Oh, okay.
Because that's not a separate line. Discord's just being a bitch.
Yeah. Root. Resize 2 for fuck's sakes. Dev mapper PVE root. This is what I do. That's why I can't remember shit. It's just copy paste.
Now you should have a lot more storage on local. I think you need a refresh.
No such luck.
You're gonna go to local.
Local.
You might need to restart. Let me check.
I'm gonna like shut this down.
Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna reboot it. I thought about I don't know if I can
show up now because we're shit talking it.
Well, yeah, it's kind of like a Chinese motherboard. It's a Chinese motherboard.
Oh, so it's extra special?
It's extra special.
It's got
I can probably update
spyware.
it. Yeah, it probably has that. Yeah, let me NVMe.
Girls.
NVMe disk. Wait a second. NVMe fan and heatsink. Man, it's fucking special. It's this right here. That's what I got.
That's awesome. Yeah, it shouldn't die.
Yeah.
And I don't think it's getting super fucking hot in there either.
No. Well, I heard like sometimes it's like way too cool, like you can't like they don't work or something. I wonder if that like made it too cool.
I need to buy the Dell one. So there's like so I have like a Dell Precision. It's a huge ass server. They have a bunch of components you can buy on eBay for super cheap. There's this one.
Oh yeah, I got one.
Holder, and it's like I need to get one.
So I got the. Or is it like the Precision like this?
Yes, it's actually that exact one.
It's this exact one. So.
Well, actually, I think it's 792.
792. These things are fucking expensive.
It looks. I got it from a friend for free for trading my old gaming one. But yes, it has been a workhorse, and like getting cheap shit for it has been amazing.
Yeah, I used to have one, but it was like the, what is it? The LGA. I'm gonna put LGA 2011. But it uses like the old.
Yeah.
I got a 5820, I think. So, but it uses like
There's mine. The one on the bottom right.
7920.
Yeah.
It has like this in it. 7600. That's what we got. So, but there's like but you can't use any of the V2 chips in it. You can only use the V1s. So like he's stuck on that shittier architecture. The V1s. But
probably gonna grab some new CPUs.
Oh, this is actually not the one I want.
eBay right now. So I can get I think I can grab a 24 core for like $20 or 100.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at that.
Server shit.
I was thinking about going to the
and I'm so mad because I was looking at the prices for RAM the other day, and I was like looking at the history graph. The shit was fucking $60 for two sticks of 64.
Oh yeah.
Before all this RAM shit happened. That's insane.
64? Oh.
Yeah, well, 64 gigabytes.
Huh. This is not the one I'm
like
looking
two sticks of 64 is like $60.
It's like a dual core one. It's like this, but it doesn't have like the top two ones there. It's like this.
Oh. Huh.
Oh, this is the V3. Fuck. Why aren't they showing the one? Anyways.
Yeah, I have the newer one, I think.
Yeah, the one that he has is like the DDR3 and like yeah. It takes two of them. We got like two. I had to sneak in an SSD in there, like tape it to the top. Yeah. I should put LG11 two CPU slot.
Give me 1 second. I gotta use the restroom.
Sure, I gotta turn on my shit too. What the fuck, dude? That has to be it. Yeah. This looks like it. This might be the... This is the V3. Never mind, it's not it. Never mind. I should say V... -1 or something like that. All right. They don't want people getting like the old stuff. Oh, I think it's this. Maybe. I don't know. This looks off. Like that looks like the socket 3. It might be it though.
Okay, I'm back.
Yeah. I think this might be it. What the fuck? It's gone.
Yeah, $20 for a 10 core is crazy.
7810.
But under low, they use so much power.
Yeah, that's why I've been like hesitant to set up my this I guess like mini rack thing. I was gonna set up a bunch of like I have
like those 1 liter PCs.
not really that. No, these are high end like workstation motherboards with like.
Oh.
I don't really have like a lot of power options in this room. That's why I went like I was hesitant to get the motherboard combo that I'm using now because it's like it uses the LGA 2011 line. It's like the and DDR3.
Just set it up in the laundry room. Just use that power outlet.
My parents won't let me do that. But yeah, old school fucking
Or
old
just see a
school.
rat and drill holes in the wall.
Well, I was trying to get a new circuit put up there, but I think we like used up all our we used up like on our panel.
Panels.
I
Yeah.
was like, well, fucking put a new panel in there. Like, what the fuck? It doesn't take that. Doesn't cost that much more money. Most of it's in the fucking panel. Or like, okay, let's look at the panel. I'll fucking like set it
There's
up.
also a hacky solution you could do where you like get a bigger breaker and then you put 2 leads off of it.
Yeah.
Not recommended, but you know.
Electric panel. Diagram or something like that. USA.
Do they have a 100 amp service?
I don't know.
Oh man,
Hopefully.
it's one of those small ones.
Oh, it's not like this. I'm just like trying to like. I think there's like a thing on top where like it comes in and you got all this shit and you got this thing going down.
Right. Yeah.
But it doesn't like take much to fucking build this. It's like like putting the panel on the wall is the most. I don't think you even have to fucking turn off the power to your house. You just got to make sure you don't like
Kill yourself.
kill yourself. Yeah. I like wear some gloves and be fucking extra careful. But then you got like your neutral. Well, most of them are okay. You got like
You're
one panel here.
right?
What's that?
You got your degree. You're certified, right?
I'm just certified. Yeah, I'm totally certified. Yeah, 240 goes into the house, right? And so like they split it. They had, like I think the neutral's in the middle. That's why I'm thinking it's kind of weird. It's like right
No,
here.
the neutral's on the side.
It is on the side, huh?
Yeah.
So
And the ground is like literally a grounding rod.
Yeah, the ground's a grounding one. Oh. So where's like this 240 at? So
So it's it's 120 and they're both out of phase by 180 degrees.
all right, I'm gonna have to like look this up. Okay, so I need a circuit diagram. Okay, circuit diagram of electrical box.
You could also say 240 single phase sine wave.
Oh, yeah. 240 single phase. That's definitely. We need that single phase. All right, so let's see what this. Maybe this is it. Fuck. Why did they fuck this up? Oh, I was in the right spot. No.
Oh, that was a good diagram up at the top.
This one here,
The one at the very top.
the very top. That was the one I was just at. I didn't see like where this is
Very top.
going.
The one above this one.
Oh, this here. Okay.
Yeah, that one. See?
This is so fucking
like
small.
each lines are 120 and the ground neutral is like 0 volts.
See, I knew it was in the middle. I knew it was in the middle because that's how you fucking split the shit. But like when I see it here, they said the neutral's right here. So I'm like
It is.
confused.
So each one of those bars like
Yeah.
is 0 volts.
Each one of those bars is 0 volts.
I think like the because like it's a clip in, like the circuit breaker will clip into the main like bus and then it clips into like the neutral as well.
Yeah. So do they? Why is it on the side though? You don't understand where I'm coming from?
I do. So the neutral is like, okay, so it's not doing me us justice, but that white backing is the neutral.
The whole
Like the
thing is a
entire-
neutral?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So then they like shield it or whatever. I see.
Yeah. And it's
I
also
see, I
weird
see.
because ground is also somewhat of a neutral because
Yeah.
it's 0 volts, but yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah, they're plus and minus. You don't know, like, it's not necessarily like negative, right? So you got like the 240 going on here.
Yeah.
And then I think it's funny, like, ground's always like in the middle.
Yeah.
Like, how did that come to be?
If you want to see something really crazy, there's like
Yeah.
one wire circuits they have at like farms and shit.
One wire circuit? What the fuck?
Yeah, so they have a hot wire and then they
Uh-huh.
use the literal earth or like the ground as the as the completing circuit,
Yeah. I mean, like,
which is crazy work, but whatever.
that works. That's what you're doing, like, in the ones in the wall, right? I mean, like,
Well, I mean, like it's meant to go up through the neutral. I mean, most stuff
Yeah.
isn't supposed to go through ground unless to protect you from like bad wiring.
Yeah. Well, but that's what, you know what? Well, wait a second. But that's what's going on, like, because they said this is the ground, the neutral is the ground, right?
Technically, yeah, they're technically ground is neutral.
Yeah. Technically, ground's neutral. And then you got the.
But like we use it with like GFCI as well.
Yeah.
So the way that GFCI works is if it doesn't sense what it puts out through the hot side coming back into the neutral side, then it trips.
It doesn't sense what's coming out the hot
So like
side.
the electricity it's putting out, it needs to sense it coming back in through the neutral.
Okay. I never knew like the reason why. I guess like you can plug in something wrong with the AC.
You can.
Yeah. I was like,
especially in kitchens, their kitchens are known to have like both phases in like a single socket, which is crazy.
yeah, I just kind of, well, like, how's this out of phase? One of them. Okay, wait a second. Let's think about
It's 180 degrees out of phase. So like the peaks of them are 240 volts.
Okay.
Or are they 90 degrees? I forgot. It's been a while since I've been in college.
All right. What's the phase? Okay.
It's better if you look at like a sine wave diagram.
Yeah. Hot, neutral, and what is it?
240 volt one.
Hot one and hot two.
Yeah.
Hot one and hot two. Sine wave. It should be the opposite if I'm thinking right.
Images help.
Yeah, images. I thought it was just gonna be the opposite.
They're not even showing the images. That's dumb.
It's hot one and hot two out of phase.
240 volts. Oh yeah, it's better if you search
180 degrees is off. Yeah.
Sine wave 240 volt, and then you look at images. That gives you a better idea of what's going on.
I got this. Out of phase, sine wave. Out of, I guess hot one. Out of, okay. Electrical
Sine wave 240
out
volt.
wave signal 240 volt versus 120 volt. Okay. Why can't they show me the signal? I mean, is this like fucking retarded?
I have it on mine.
Is this it? Or
That
120. This is it.
Yes.
Okay, so it's taking this. Okay.
The bottom image is a pretty good indicator.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about if you're connecting it to ground. Let's say this is 0 volt ground, and yeah, so it'll be. I guess it is 180. I think.
Three
Why is
phase
this
is
down
even
at-
more crazy.
Yeah. And here's this. I'm trying to think like where the ground is. I think maybe I'm just like being dumb here.
Ground zero.
Yeah, ground 0. But this is not like, I mean, like if I was to connect a circuit, like how would this look? You would have the ground at 0. Yes, it's 180 out of phase. You'll be fucking adding it and shit. But like, yeah, you can put it in the wrong way. But like, how does it know? How does it know?
It's AC.
How does the circuit know? How does the circuit know AC if it's out of phase?
Well, then there's explosions.
How does it know though? Like seriously, like it shouldn't matter.
It doesn't know, but like there's such a current draw that it literally explodes.
Like it's just AC. It's not like you do a plus minus, right? Because it's always moving between the plus and minus. So how does it fucking know?
Not really sure.
Yeah. You know
I
what
know
I'm
when
saying?
they get out of phase, that's like how much current draw happens.
Yeah. Like I can understand if you put like grab one, like if you grab one from like the different part of the house and try to like add them together or whatever, you might have issues. But yeah, like they're saying like if you plug like in the prongs the wrong way in some things, like it would like it's bad. I'm just
Technically, yeah, because like 240 volts going to 0 is gonna be very bad.
but like if it's like
But if you plug two sockets that are in phase together, it's not gonna do anything.
yeah, well I know like that there like will be you kind of get trouble, but I just don't understand like, and I know there's some equipment that has it, but like it shouldn't fucking matter. Like it shouldn't know. It should just be like
It shouldn't. It should be
because
very dumb.
yeah, it's just you got alternate current, ultimate alternate voltage. It's just yeah, it must be something with like the ground, maybe.
Probably. There's also like inductance and capacitance.
Yeah, that'll throw shit out of phase.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna turn on that computer. Let me just double check. No response. All right. What the fuck? Okay, there's the loading. All right, I'll be right back.
Okie dokie.
It's just in the other room. All right, I'm not even gonna bother to do that.
The other room being like the other side of the country somehow. Oh, is my subs about to go up? What happens if I click this button?
Ultra Derek. I see. I don't have my headphones on. Hold on. I might have to. I don't know. I might have to do something.
Thing.
I might have to connect a monitor to that later or something. And update the freaking BIOS and shit.
That would suck.
Yeah, I can't remote into it.
I want a high KVM.
Yeah, I was thinking about shit like that's kind of like a little cheap. I don't want to pay for that
They're not
shit.
cheap.
Oh, they're cheap-ish. They're like way cheaper than like the other shit.
I hate how expensive Raspberry Pis are. I wish they were cheap, like $20 like they used to be.
I got like 3 just sitting around. So
Probably gonna have to ping it until it responds.
it takes a while to load up. I don't know what it is like with
Yeah,
these
mine does too.
with these AMD things, but lately like getting through the BIOS is like takes forever. I don't know what's going on with it.
Like, so with mine, since it has 128 gigs of RAM, it literally took 5 minutes to just load. I'm like, what the fuck?
So long.
And apparently it's like initializing all the RAM, which is weird.
Like you don't get
But
this
after
issue
that,
with Intel.
Yeah.
For extensive RAM training for every boot.
Yeah, that's what it was talking about. It's like, what is this RAM training and why do I need it?
Yeah.
Can I turn it off? And it's like, no, it's probably not a good idea to turn it off. And it's like, fuck.
So why doesn't Intel do it?
They do. They probably have a trick to make it faster.
Yeah, I don't think it's as slow with my. Like I'm running like I'm running a 5950 with this PC, and I don't like have this long ass fucking boot time.
When I first like built my media streaming PC, I installed the RAM wrong, and like the instructions from ASUS were not in English, and the English version didn't exist anymore. So I was flying in the dark on why it would not boot this multi-$1,000 PC. I'm like, fuck my life. This is not fun.
You have 4 slots, and like you put them in the wrong ones.
It was in the wrong ones, and it
Yeah.
wasn't indicated which the right ones were.
Usually, like the ones that you put in first are like the first. Well, it's not the first 2 that are the farthest away, but you know, it's like the it's super like unintuitive. So, but usually, like about everyone I've done, so like, wait a second, you got. Let me do this too.
I will say the ProArt is a pretty good motherboard, though.
Okay, let me turn this on. Is it on? Oh, I don't have my thing streaming. I know there's like a delay, so I can start my virtual camera. There we go.
It seems to be pretty responsive from what I can see.
Well, from Twitch, sometimes there can be like a delay.
4 minutes or 4 seconds?
1, 2, 3, 4. So you got your 4 slots.
Yeah.
You got your like CPU here or something like that. It's like these. You populate these first. These 2.
Yeah, I was doing it the other way.
Yeah,
where
you
I
think
was
it'd be
doing the
this one.
Closest to, yeah.
You think it'd be these 2? And I think it's like the same for my about even my like high end, like my other like what would I put, like even my X79 boards is like this too. It's just, I don't know why they picked the farthest away ones first. You think you'd want the closer ones that, you know.
What if the
So, you know,
instructions were like, if the RAM doesn't work, buy more RAM?
Yeah, buy new RAM. Yeah. And then you install these. All right.
I'm so glad that AMD updated their boards to support 128 gigs for 2 sticks. So 64 a stick.
Oh. Where's my Proxmox at?
It's one of these tabs.
My hundreds. Why is this open? All right. I got 2 TrueNASes.
I think it might be that globe.
It usually has an X on it. What's this? Oh. Facebook, maybe I closed it. You said the globe one?
Yeah, it's right next to the Reddit and the Google on the more right-hand side.
There we go. Holy fuck. What if my shit just broke?
You ping it with the terminal.
Mm, 5.2? Yeah.
Guess it's not up yet.
Dude, we were like talking for like 10 minutes there.
Is it running? Is it running a the Chinese board or a Dell?
This is the Chinese board. This is the
Okay.
I forget what it's like. The 7. It's not the 790M. Minis form or something. Okay, 7. I'm gonna put 7945. I'm using the same thing, like same board as like what I'm using as my my streaming PC.
Oh, nice.
It's this one here.
Ooh.
This doesn't look right. Is it the back? There we go. Yeah, I have like 2 of them here. I don't have like a GPU in it, so I just have that high-end fucking HDMI there. Like right behind here. I think right. No, wait a second. It's right behind here. See that thing there? That is where I put another 2.5 gigabit NIC there. So we got that, and then I put one there and put on the side. But yeah, this thing here, yeah, I had to like jerry rig that bastard in. Like the things were coming, like this thing was like right in the back of this, and like it was just too long. So I literally like took a pliers and bent the pins out.
No.
Yeah, I had to bend the pins. I heard a cracking noise. It was like the plastic of the pins cracking. It was the plastic like bent over, and they're like cracking there. So, yeah. Let's try this again. It's taking too long to respond.
Computer.
Yeah, it's a micro ATX. It's still not going. I'm gonna go see if it might have like shut down again or something. I don't know.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
YouTube.
I might have good news and bad news.
Well, give me the bad news first.
The bad news first is that I think the network cards got all fucked up in the fucker again.
Oh
So,
no! So it redid the IP address.
Yeah. So I'd have to go in there and like spend 2 hours trying to figure out that shit. The good news is
it's working.
the NVMe drive is in there.
That's awesome.
So, yeah, I just did the CTL block thing. So, what should I should
to the router.
Do I have access to the router? Yeah.
Or the the thing that's doing DHCP.
Well, nothing. I have a. Yeah, I mean, like, it has a DHCP. You want to see if there's like something, if it's like picking it up. Oh, the DHCP.
Yeah.
So I got like my. Hold on a second. My MOS is actually handling that. Oh, the bad thing is.
Base server.
Now the bad thing is okay. This is all fuckered up. I should just reinstall it after I added that one thing in there. I wonder if it's this.
Oh, did it screw up all the IPs?
So like, okay, I actually have the Proxmox facing a different subnet. So I'm actually a subnet of this other subnet. And the way that I get into it, that's why this one's like a -.1. So yeah,
So
the
you're
other
in the
side is
wrong place to even look at it.
yeah, if it's like yelling out somewhere. I don't know what this I mean, this could be like one of these could be like my iPad and shit, but I don't think anything would be like a 195. It could have like mixed them up. Oh, I wouldn't be able, no, it won't. Like, here's the thing, like, would it assign one? Would it assign
Do you have
one?
the MAC address at least?
A what?
The MAC address?
That's how I'd have to find it. And did I write that shit down? Probably somewhere. Probably somewhere. Wait a second. I took a picture of that shit. That's what I do. I take pictures. I might have deleted them though.
I need to record all mine.
Just take pictures.
Google Keep in LastPass.
Where's my fucking phone? Computer, find my phone. Oh, there it is. All right.
I like Alexa. It'll do that for me.
I use Alexa too much. I don't know. Can I like? I think I have to like set it all up over there. I don't know if I can like go into it. But you know this shit better than me.
I mean, the best way of doing it is to know the original IP address and then setting it to that, because because the IP address is preset in the configuration files.
Yeah, but they change it to like. So okay, I'm gonna use an example of this. Like I can't get IF config. Okay, like instead of like. Which one's which? Okay, instead of like ENP36XO, they'll change it like a different one. So it'll be like a.
Yeah, they do that.
So I don't know, like.
I know that the net file has most of it, but like here, let me see if I have my thing that I used to fix it before.
And you just remoted into it?
No.
I'm gonna have to sit.
I had to pull up a chair and put it in. The easiest way is to literally just reset the IP address to the original. Yeah,
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut it down. And I don't even care if that shit's lost. I told everybody I was going to be shutting down the server anyway. And, oh, fuck. Damn it.
The new chat, I guess. What, you want to reinstall Proxmox?
Yeah, because I'm going to run into this problem again. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and starting clean is probably best.
But maybe like I'll have to do this some other time, like during the day. Taxes first. I still got to do my taxes. Fuck.
Do you do it manually or do you go through TurboTax?
I do. I did it through like the IRS thing. Like America's Taxes or something. It's stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might have deleted those things. But I usually take pictures of that shit.
You can file extension.
But I'll have to copy over. Maybe I'll copy over that VM. And I don't know. Yeah, I'm not seeing the shit. Yeah, now like this is why I want like a remote. I got IPMI. This is so fucking stupid. I hate it.
Yeah.
Those boards are so expensive too. Have IPMI. Why are they like, I don't know. Are they just like hard to set up on a
change?
I'm gonna turn off my PC. I just don't want it running where I can't even access it or anything. So yeah. I'll be right back. I'm gonna cold I'm not gonna cold shut. I'm just gonna hit the button to shut off.
Okay, so you just need to update 2 files. That's not too bad. I mean, theoretically, you could just set it to be just dynamic, but Proxmox probably doesn't want you to do that.
I think what I'm gonna do is
I found the 2 files if you're interested.
Yeah.
It's etc network interfaces and then etc host, and that's the only 2 files you need to change.
Network interfaces.
I can post in live chat.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I remember it. And then you have to like move things around and
then you just have to reset it.
Yeah.
With network CTL, system CTL. I really hope systemd doesn't implement that stupid age verification bullshit. I think it's just a suggestion, but you know how people are.
Yeah, they're probably going to do it. I'm just surprised like how they're just so quick to implement it. It's like, what the fuck is wrong with y'all?
It's like, what the fuck happened to like being open and free, you know?
Yeah. Oh, this is my... Yeah, I was gonna set up a pfSense router with like... I was gonna buy like a couple more, but like right now I have 2 NICs that are they're 10 gigabit base dual port. I got 2 in there, but I got 2 of them that have 4, so it's gonna be 8. And I was thinking about bringing in like another couple more, so then I can have like 16. And that'll be like my new switch / router.
My friend showed me it the other day. He's able to like basically VPN from like our office into Texas, where his like house is, because he's like in the middle of a move. It's crazy. He's able to like view everything through like his phone.
Why is he doing it through his phone?
Because it has an app.
He has an app for that? Wait a second.
And then you can connect it via...
Like looking through a camera? Or like doing his work stuff? Or
no, he can like... So he creates a VPN network on his phone, and then he creates a hotspot, and then he can connect his laptop to it. I was thinking about getting like a couple phones. I was like looking at the data rate basis, or yeah, like data rate, data plans for phones. It seemed like it. I have it. I'm about to get another line because my Comcast free one just went out. So I'm like, I like it, so I might as well just grab another plan. It's pretty cheap.
Yeah, I was gonna buy like the cheapest ass phone I can get, and then I was gonna like plug it into something. I don't know what I was gonna plug it in. I wonder if I could plug it into my like my router.
No, they track hotspot.
The routers do?
Hotspots, the phone does. It reports back to like Mint if it's a hotspot traffic, and if it is, then it charges you.
What the fuck, man?
Yeah, I know. They don't charge you the unlimited rate. They charge you a separate rate for hotspots. It's insane.
Okay, so like, how do they know though? I guess there's.
I mean, every carrier does this. It's insane.
Okay, so what if you wait a second? That's not necessarily a hotspot.
What
That's
you
just
would
a
want
bridge.
is something like So if you go to plans, there's this thing called Minternet. That's probably what you would want.
Ouch.
It wouldn't be like a plan. It would be like a dedicated unit that
Yeah.
has internet.
I was hoping for like $25 a month. And then I can get like 2. Initial price, renewal price.
I think this is cheaper than T-Mobile as well, which is pretty interesting.
Well, this is like, here it says 12 months for $30 a month.
Yeah, you would just pay up front 12 months.
I might do that. And like, will they give you like a thing?
I'm not sure. I haven't done it, but I've been looking at this. I have pretty good internet by itself, but
plus unlimited wireless.
You would probably have to grab one. Like, oh wait, you're gonna do PF Sense, so you can have it auto switch over.
I can do that, or like I might have to. I don't know. I might have to tell it to go to like. I wonder if I could tell.
Have you heard of Netgate?
Netgate. Let me see.
Yeah.
No. Maybe.
They make make dedicated PF Sense boxes.
Oh, okay. PF Sense. Okay, wait a second. PF Sense. I was like looking at this. Oh, it does say Netgate there.
If you click on buy now, it'll get you all the stuff.
Accessories.
Yeah, you can go like a home unit, or you can get like a rack mount, which is an absolutely insane rack mount unit, by the way.
Oh, my rack mount would be, let's see, this is $5,000. So wait a second, what would that be? Okay,
I think it
32
does like
gigabytes of
100
memory.
gig.
Holy shit.
This is a straight up firewall, by the way. It's a router and a firewall.
Well, I think my PF Sense is a firewall too, right? I mean, like.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah.
I mean, it's running PF Sense. That's exactly what it is.
Yeah. I pretty much.
It's got purpose-built hardware inside of it.
This is the okay.
Like this has like crazy stuff like you see in the front where it has like that power plug. You can have failover power with it. So if like one of the units go out.
I like how it's facing the front.
Yeah.
So I got a case that's front facing or like back front facing.
And also you see that little thing on the side? That's a PCI expansion unit.
Oh.
On the right side.
Would you put in there like another NIC?
I think you would put like either a fiber card or something. Like a 100 gig fiber card if you needed it.
Oh, look at all those fans in the front.
I know, it would be really loud.
So I got I used to have a 12 port 10 gigabit switch, and then like we had a power outage and it just stopped working. I'm still holding on to the bastard.
Do you think it might still work?
No, it just like it doesn't. The fans turn on, but like none of the lights turn on or nothing like that. So I opened it up and I like looked at it like a monkey. And I was like, yep.
Turn it on, put your hand everywhere, feel where it burns.
I wouldn't even know like where to search on the circuit board to say, oh yeah, this is supposed to be like voltage is supposed to be here, and oh, this one's not supposed to have any voltage. Like I wouldn't even know. I just like I kind of like try to see if like something seemed burnt out.
Would just be find the hottest component.
Yeah. Well, I don't think anything's getting any power. I don't know. And the power supply It's all 12 volts. So it's like ground and 12 volts. And so, but I don't know if like you can't find like a thing out there to see if it's supposed to be like if someone's supposed to be like 5 volts or whatnot.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's a power supply doing it, but I think like if some parts were getting like fucking 5 volts, I think it'd fry it. I'm thinking.
Yeah,
So,
I would assume so, right?
But I didn't smell anything from it like when it broke. But yeah, it's like off because like the fans just keep on going hard on, and they don't slow down. It's like wah.
Man,
Eventually it goes to rest. But I bought like a cheap 8-port 10 gigabit Ethernet thing, and I'm using that. I'm using almost all the ports. It's kind of, but it's I think it's a dumb one. The other one was it was a Netgear, and it was like, it's a pretty nice one, but they don't make it any longer. I think they only make 8 and 16.
Yeah.
But it was like a 12, and they don't make it any longer. I thought people were just like, hey, send it into Netgear, but I don't have the receipt and I bought it used. Yeah.
Oh.
So I don't know if they'll take it. I like threw out the box and everything too.
So it's like, oh, here, let me just send it in, and it's just like an empty or a box full of parts.
Yeah, it was $400. I think I bought it for $400.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Do you think you could get it cheaper on eBay?
You probably can't. The one that was 8 was pretty cheap. I think I bought that for like $200. But I don't know if they sell those things any longer or what. I don't know.
Did Neko get hit with that, boss? I forgot which company got like hit with a thing saying like the U.S. Department won't buy them anymore. I'm thinking of Huawei. Never mind.
Yeah, they won't buy like anything from China, basically. And we blocked like all 5G basically from China.
Yeah. Cisco only.
It's like they're not like our best friends.
They're not, and it's like it's better to be safe than sorry. But also they did a couple of weird things in Afghanistan, so there's that too.
Yeah, I think China we're like, yeah, we'll take your 5G shit. I was like, oh man, did I say Canada? Yeah.
That was kind of crazy when it happened because like it was like almost instantaneous. Like everybody was like shit talking them, like, oh, you're gonna ban things from China, and then all of a sudden all the tech companies were like, we can't use anything from China now. We can't tell you why.
I thought they were like, they really said
Apple
that.
did it first because they said they were finding weird chips that were doing weird things, and they couldn't talk about it anymore.
But like, it doesn't take much. I mean, these things will look like a capacitor.
Yeah, that's the scary thing.
And they can do like a
capacitor or some power regulator, and then it'll start fucking with stuff.
Yeah. Like I wouldn't even be getting anything built there, because they could probably like hide. I don't know if they'd hide it in a capacitor, but like.
But it's like, it's so like I built stuff from China though, but it's so cheap to do.
Yeah. It is so cheap.
You can get 10 boards for $10. Like
you had them fill it all up too with parts.
I had to do the parts myself, but
yeah,
like that was before PCBWay existed. PCBWay has been like the best thing ever. Like you can have PCBWay do everything basically for $.
I was thinking about trying to design. I've never designed a board, but I'm thinking like, hey, it'd be nice to have like that extension thing. I bet I can design it and then like add all the stuff in there and be fine.
It'd be great.
Yeah. I would just
sad Eagle went the way of the corporate.
Zap equal. I've never done anything like with any of those, so I wouldn't know. But
It's
yeah,
actually
like
pretty simple. Like all you do is you set up your circuit design on paper, and then you export it into the thing, and then you just move the traces around.
yeah, I just know you have to have all the traces the same length, especially
really.
For
They can be
PCIe to.
anything. It's for PCIe and like CPUs they have to be.
Yeah.
But like for like normal circuits, it's like it doesn't really matter.
Yeah. But we're like you're going like gigahertz.
Like, yeah.
You're going gigahertz. How many like layers can you do?
As
like
many as you want.
Really?
They do up to 14.
At PCB way, do you? Like for cheap?
Yeah. Pull it up.
Can you make like a whole ass fucking motherboard for cheap?
Oh yeah. And they'll assemble it for you too. You gotta give them the components though.
Oh. You can't buy the components through them?
I mean, you're gonna have to go through DigiKey or Mauser or that other one.
Oh.
But yeah, you just send them the reels and they'll assemble them.
And so do they build it out of China?
I don't know where they are located. I imagine it's in good countries. I don't think it's in China.
Number of pieces. Oh. Same way. Because let's think about like having like a long ass fucking basically like the motherboard that I have here, and just have it like longer and just
put in the length and width. They'll give you an instant quote.
Okay. I don't even know the fucking length of it. What is that motherboard number?
Like ITX?
No, it's like it's fucking really long.
Oh, like EATX?
It's custom sized. Is it GL? Is it GL? Fuck. Super Micro. GL. Oh, X9 DRG QF. All right. This fucker's huge. I think it's like. This is how the size is here.
You actually want to make a full-on motherboard?
I'm not gonna do it. Maybe I would just do the extensions. I can't even use.
I don't even think any of the components are available anymore.
This fucker's huge.
Yeah, it is.
What drives me nuts is that like.
I'd say 18 inches by 18.
Do they have the dimensions here? Where's the dimensions at? I could probably just like ask an AI. There it is.
Oh.
So the length is 15.2. Yeah. ATX motherboard dimensions.
So it would be like 400 by.
This is 12 inches. It's an ATX. So it's 3 more inches longer.
Yeah, and you're only locked to. You can only do a minimum of 5. But the boards themselves would be 240 for 5 of them.
$240
for 5.
Oh man. Not doable. Maybe I'll just do like the extension things, because then I can just like reuse the cables. I can get the cables from somewhere else.
That'd be cheaper.
Yeah. I don't know.
But yeah, this used to be thousands of dollars instead of like For a prototype, $240 is nothing.
Yeah. So where is PCB?
Oh, you just do it in that instant quote thingy if you want to like figure out what the price is.
Make.
And you just need to convert it to millimeters. You can also do CNC stuff.
Are manufactured in China.
No.
In China.
PCB way alternative and USA.
Alternative. I'm doing it too.
Advanced circuits.
Wait, is that DigiKey Red? It's a fast turn service partnership with Royal Circuits, ideal for DigiKey. Why is it?
Osh Park sounds very familiar. Yeah, Osh Park is the one that we used to use. This is in the United States.
Osh Park? And they're expensive?
Yeah. I mean, they're not going to do the assembly.
For hobbyists? $20 per square inch. Free copies of 5-inch per square inch. That adds up fast.
If you're worried about them installing stuff, I would just do boards.
Yeah.
And then just have it assembled somewhere else.
I'd end up fucking doing it myself, I think.
With chemicals.
The assembly? No, not. I'm sorry.
The printing of
the printing of it. Yeah. I'm not gonna print it.
Assembly is pretty simple. If you have a heat gun and some good forceps, you're pretty good.
Some guy, like, I forget, he's like German or something like that. I think he was that. I forget the guy's name.
Oh, Great Scott?
Not that guy. He's like, he's not as like, he's not as expressive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Most German people aren't expressive.
PCB, using 3D printer. I think he used like the 3D printer,
where it like injects metal.
It's not necessarily that, but it was like, he used actually like the 3D printer, like the, what are those 3D printers? Those, like the resin printer.
Oh, like, SLA?
Yeah. Oh, so this guy did it too. So someone else did it too.
What? Oh, that's smart. I would have never thought of that.
See, I don't understand why people do this. Yeah.
Because the way that you used to have to do it is that you would literally get a laser jet printer. You would put it on, I think, you would put it on like paper, and then you would use an iron to put it on a copper clad, and then you would etch it with like iron chloride.
Iron chloride? Is this the guy?
Iron chloride removes copper.
Yeah, this is too new. The other guy did. I think this. It might have been this guy. Why can't I hear anything? Piece of shit.
Did your
It's my capture card. Go out? My capture card's all fucked up.
Okay.
It's like, it's not Thomas here. It's like the guy's like fucking silly. Tech builder. This might be him. Hold on a second. I mean, like, it's not this guy. It's not this guy. I think that seems like a.
I've always been fascinated with edutainment.
Or acetate if you have doubts on short.
What if you want to make a PCB like?
It's weird. People want to see like the process, but they don't want to see like the nitty gritty stuff.
This might be him.
What's up, my friends? Welcome back.
Nope.
Today.
What if you want to make a PCB like?
Nope. The guy he was like gonna I think he was gonna make like a well, this is a long time ago. I don't really see his stuff any longer. But he was gonna make a CNC machine, and like he got like these fucking badass. He got
Motors,
oh wait a second.
He got
motors? These not a stepper motor, but they were like the ones with the magnetic sensor. Let me restart my thing here. Properties, my signal, deactivate, activate. There we go. Hall effect. They have like Hall effect sensors in them, and they're basically like, yeah.
I know what you're talking about.
Because they're basically like the servos. Yeah.
Well, you can turn anything into a servo with a Hall effect sensor.
Yeah, they had the Hall effect sensor in it, so they're a servo. Yeah. But the servos we have usually like those like servos those cheap like what is
like
it?
The $5 ones that you get off Amazon
or like any of those that like they have a bunch of gears in them, so that's why they're so loud.
Then, like industrial servos are crazy.
Yeah. PCB Tech 2C. I don't think it's this guy.
Hi everyone. There's plenty of tutorials.
Marco Reps. This is him. This is the dude.
My miniature factory is permanently busy these days. But today I had to interrupt.
Oh, he was trying to do
because I wanted to start working on the heated
I'm
build
thinking
platform.
of somebody else. They were trying to do a series on
The
making
main board
an
is already
entire
prepared for
CNC
it,
machine
so all I have to add
with
is
nothing but hand tools.
Huh? What's this tiny transistor for?
Nothing but hand tools.
It has too few pins
Yeah.
for
Like
the
just
extruder motor.
like
It is
making
too
it
small
like
for the heater. Still, it
Wait a
is sitting
second.
between something on the print head and
Let's
ground.
see if I can buy that.
See, I wish I knew like how to check that shit.
Because
I think
he used the craziest shit. Like he would use like Arduinos
There's an unused
and
connector on it.
like paper and shit like that as like actual like a Hall effect sensor rather than buying the components.
Paper?
And, like he had a cardboard thing.
Uh-huh.
I don't even know how to explain it. It was so insane.
This guy hasn't like really released anything in a while. I guess it's been like kind of recent. But it skipped like 1 year, 2 year, like, and then like CNC Spindle unboxing mini factory tour. Prototype dual material 3D printer. Central lubrication system for the CNC. Yeah, he has a CNC machine.
Yeah, I'm probably never gonna find it because it's so old. But yeah, he was doing some crazy stuff where he was using a mouse sensor to actually gauge distance.
A mouse
every
sensor.
single like pulse.
Huh. All right. I can see that he hacked the shit.
Oh, I found it.
Open source oscilloscope.
He
Yeah,
was
the
using
stuff,
it for motion detection.
the cheap shit that we get out of China. Yeah, they the stuff's not very accurate. You know, you want like super accurate shit. You can
Turn the mouse into a camera. Like an actual PS2 mouse, you turned it into a camera.
a PS2 mouse. It's like scanned a surface with it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because it technically has a little pixel camera inside of it.
Yeah. Okay. Thermal camera test. I wonder if this is the thing that.
Mountable consti. It's fix high precision ER20. Yep.
What are they doing?
EMN in Germany.
This is like his
with
fucking
a bunch of
motor.
Geometric features that make it apparently all but impenetrable to incidental and pressurized foreign matter
awesome.
in standstill and even more
It gets
so
like.
with a running
I think
spindle.
that's the servo. But I thought I saw it like way longer ago. What is this? CNC spindle? He's been like working on this thing
Digital
forever.
pulses per revolution type.
Look at that shit,
because
dude.
the controller can digitize and interpolate over these analog waveforms.
The strength
with
and
very
precision
high
for this
resolution.
thing.
But therein lies the
It's
difficulty
huge. It's
and
like
the reason, I suppose, why we don't have
you'd
our
have to hold it
final
with two
control
hands,
cabinet yet.
almost.
Not all variable frequency drives support sine
Yeah,
and cosine encoders.
Basically.
This is, by
They
the
could
way,
probably
what
cut through
happens if I
metal.
turn on the VFD in
Yeah.
here. It pollutes the encoder outputs like crazy. That's why they are brought out as differential signals, which can be
Differential
turned into usable low
Let's see
noise.
this.
I found them in my hair, in my bed, and in food.
What?
It's been the #1 inconvenience, and the thing I'm hoping to solve with this upgrade to a spindle that begins to
Hold on a second.
root out some of the eldritch horrors that were lurking in here.
I'm gonna turn down the
But
music.
there
on
is
me.
still a ton of work to do. I'll be honest with you, I'm dissatisfied with my CNC machine, and I'd much rather start a
Wait,
new
is it
one than
on
patch
the,
all the mistakes I made
Twitch?
early on in this one. I need flood cooling,
It should
better
be on.
rain covers, and better cable management, obviously.
I'm hearing it through Twitch, but you're not.
And I need a fourth, even smaller control cabinet just for the looks. Maybe just
Hearing
two.
what?
I hear the audio through Twitch.
Oh, I probably don't have my audio. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Yeah. Hold on a second. I can put it on through there. I was just giving it my video. Just as the video, like, oh, I probably can't. Input profile, custom input device. Yeah, it just has my mic, output device. Yeah, it'll have to be YouTube. I don't know like how I'd set it through here.
No problem.
I'd have to reset it through my beacon. Voice isolation studio input device. Yeah, because it's just grabbing my mic and bringing it out. I'm sharing this video. I'm sharing the camera, but not the audio from it. Okay, wait a second. What's this? Perfect sound. More options. Voice and video settings. Yeah, it's probably like assuming I'm gonna use my face, right? I'd have to like stream it differently or something. Yeah, it just has settings for my custom GIF. Automatically import. Yeah, it's assuming it's just microphone. Yeah.
To hold the pneumatic solenoid for the minimal quantity lubrication.
Uh,
Springy's water radiator X-Cool is going to live down here, getting dripped on with oil whenever my central lubrication system decides to malfunction again. Everything and everyone to set foot in this room gets a nice coating in oil and sticky microscopic aluminium chips.
Aluminium.
In my hair, in my bed, and in food. It's been the #1 inconvenience, and the thing I'm hoping to solve with this upgrade to a spindle that begins to deliver meaningful torque at lower RPMs. X22 has 4 rear threaded holes for through plate
Yeah.
mounting bolts. 2
I can
blind
definitely see
holes
that.
for these included.
That's why the motor has to be so big. You'd think that they're so
Yeah, I
quiet
mean,
because
like-
they don't have gears, right? They might have like a little. They might have some gears in there, but I think the Hall effect sensor's up here. No, this is like the inputs. Maybe maybe the Hall effect sensor's down here, but I don't think there's a gearbox on these things. Yeah, so I think the rotor or not that like that.
It could also be just like direct drive,
Precision
or
ground
Yeah.
and hardened
gears, where
alignment
it's wound
pins.
right.
If you're planning forceful maneuvers
Yeah,
and don't trust pure
It'd be like long
pressure.
windings.
And then there are 4 of these kind of picture frame hanger keyholes
So- Like
some of the, like,
with which the spindle can be
drones,
mounted
the drone
conveniently,
motors are so
even if only
expensive,
accessible
they're
from the
wound in a
front.
certain way to be like extra torque with zero
Yeah.
like.
As soon
Yeah.
as the spindle has slid into position,
You want like
the
a
mounting bolts are
high speed
accessible
with high
through these
torque
sideways holes.
and low speed.
It
Like
can
you
be
can get
tightened
some
with a
torque with the
spherical
higher
Allen key.
speeds.
No doubt Spinergy have
Um,
planned this complicated feature
fuck is that?
correctly. But the tolerance of this
Like,
cheap Allen key that was
completely
included in a 3D
Did he, like,
printer
twist
once
it too
didn't
much?
quite fit, so I have modified it tastefully.
Is that a screwdriver?
No, I'm not talking these
That's
all the
like
way down
a-
just yet,
Hold
because
on a
we
second. If you go back, sometimes
Oh.
like you'll get like an Allen
this
wrench.
complicated feature correctly.
Oh, I see what he did. So the regular driver that he had wouldn't fit, so he
To
took
position,
he
the mounting
took an
bolts are
angle
accessible
grinder
through
to it to
these
spin it
sideways
down.
holes and can be tightened
Ah.
with a spherical Allen key.
Oh, I see.
No doubt Spinergy have planned this complicated
Jay.
feature correctly.
Hey, whatever
But the
fits,
tolerance
you
of this
know?
cheap Allen key that was included in a 3D printer once didn't quite fit, so I have modified it tastefully.
Oh yeah, look at
No, I'm
look
not
at that.
talking
Look
these
at
all
that
the way down
clearance.
just yet, because we still have to do
Like he
tramming,
could not get
also known as aligning the
drive in there
spindle's
without
axis of
shaving
rotation
it
as
down.
perpendicularly as possible
Ah.
to the clamping plate. In preparation for that, I'm giving the latter a superficial stoning to buff out all of the little apprentice marks I left throughout the years.
I mean, that's kind of on
Rest
him. He
assured,
could've
I am
just,
duly embarrassed about
made
these.
the bolt holes a little bit further out or added an adapter.
Yeah.
A longer stylus makes my lateral 2 micron per division dial test indicator a little bit less sensitive. But this way it can touch the T-slot plate directly.
I think
and
you
don't
made
have
this
to
whole
invoke any
thing.
new uncertainty through repositioning gauge blocks or whatever.
But I think like he made like a whole CNC machine with those things. I'm surprised he's using
I've
that
powered on the
as
servo
the
drives
fucking
because the
drill.
Z-axis likes to near imperceptibly lower
Yeah.
itself. Just a few
Well,
millimeters
I mean,
per
like,
minute, but with a
look
lot
how
of
big it
kilograms
is.
behind it.
I'm
Yeah.
If I
pretty
were to
sure it
forget
pushed
about
through
that and
metal
go out for a lunch break,
quite
I would
easily.
return to a crushed
Yeah.
dial test
Do
indicator.
they-
I would have used it like a
We
router.
can get
or
this
something.
perpendicularity error under
Do
control
they
by
adjust?
splitting
I
it
guess
into
like
2
the good ones, they
components.
do adjust the
The
speeds
left-right
on that
tilt
shit.
is very easy to correct because there is
Yeah,
some
feeds and
tolerance in the
speeds
mounting
are
holes.
usually how you like either.
Ideally,
cut-
there shouldn't
okay,
be
so,
a
like,
back
with
front
chip
NOD
patterns,
component.
Yeah.
I'm currently using a temporary
like,
adapter
metal
plate
or,
between
like,
the spindle
wood,
and
you
my
want it
Z-axis
at a certain
plate.
speed,
That was made from
and then,
pre-ground aluminium stock, which was
like for
probably not
instance,
that
like
perfectly
feed rate
flat.
and also
So I
how
ended up
fast
using
it's
3
spinning.
layers or 0.05
Or
millimeters
else it'll,
of
like,
aluminium
either
foil
burn
as a shim.
or it won't produce
Then I thought
better
it'd be a good
chips.
opportunity to show off this fancy new toy, a Mark 10 precision torque tester.
Torque
Newton
tester.
meters with 3 decimal places sure would have been wonderful. But my grip strength
He has
wasn't
a
quite up to the
dedicated
manufacturer
torque
specified
wrench for a
8 Newton meter
screwdriver.
for these mounting screws. So I'm doing this with a socket wrench.
That's
And
just
here,
too much,
after a bit
man.
more back and forth, tramming was completed
I think he was
successfully.
kind of joking on that
And we're
shit.
now almost ready for
I don't know.
perfect mirror surface finishes.
He was like, I wanted to get it out to 3 decimal points out.
Well,
And
I will
he's
be
like, I'll
testing
settle for this.
alcohol as a minimal quantity lubricant in this season. Another measure to make aluminium chips less sticky and more bearable. That might lead to some surface quality troubles at first, until I figure out all of the correct settings.
That is flat.
Oh my.
I'm not usually one to waste good materials, but in comparison to the spindle
They're
and the water
Germany, so
cooler,
they're
these
microns,
polyurethane
so
hoses
that's-
cost
that's
next to
really,
nothing.
really tiny.
So after they went through shipping and potentially dusty storage for a while, I just like to snip off a few centimeters off of each end to lower
And
the
you have
chances
to,
of
you have to pipe
introducing
air
dusted
or
aluminium
water
chips
into
into
it
the
to make sure
coolant
it
loop.
doesn't burn up too.
Yeah. Water or that oil or whatever. I saw some guys like make like a skateboard out of a fucking, I think they made it out of aluminum. They might have made it out of steel.
I admit it, I totally bled the lines and
think
restarted the
aluminum
thing
would be
just to
better.
capture this cool
A lot
shot.
lighter.
Yeah.
This whole
But-
modular
Lot more
Spinergy
expensive,
ecosystem
though.
claims to be plug and play.
You know the weird thing
And
is
yeah,
like
it's
you'd think
certainly a breeze
aluminum
in
would be
comparison
cheaper
to a
for how much
DIY
it
system
weighs.
from scratch.
Yeah.
But you do still have to look at and
expensive
understand
shit.
some electrical pin
Steel's like
assignments.
way,
The
like
pneumatic
volume-wise,
control cabinet, for example,
it's still,
needed
like,
for the automatic
cheaper.
tool changer, exposes
Yeah.
3 pairs of cables that have to go somewhere. One pressure
Well-
switch
Getting
that
into, like,
closes when enough
specialized
air is
steels,
supplied
like the
to the
armor
cabinet.
plating steel.
One solenoid
Yeah.
valve to discharge some air out of a
I'm gonna
tool
skip
holder
this.
to
I
get
just
rid
wanted
of
to show
chips
the
during
motor.
tool changes. And another solenoid
I
valve
thought
to
it was this dude doing it on the 3D printer, but it could have been that other guy. He has a laser one here. 8 years ago. Let's see his like popular ones. Oh, maybe I wasn't on his videos. Oh yeah, I was. All right, so ball screws. PCB printing with modified laser print. Yeah. I think this is. Wait a second.
Oh my god, he actually did do this after so many years. Here, let me put it in the live chat.
Yeah, I think this is the one where he.
This guy
From the
made a
high
full-on
resolution-
metal cutting CNC machine with nothing but hand tools and like crappy parts. Somehow.
I was thinking about like making my own lathe, but I don't know what I'd fucking use it for.
I don't think you should ever build a lathe.
There's like, oh yeah, once you get like the rotation part done, you start making the lathe with itself.
Oh no. What's oh no?
Oh no. Wait a second. I want to just copy this. There we go. Linux, or I think Penguin.
This guy
CNC
like
version
does a lot of
3.2
Linux
made
stuff.
its first test run.
Okay.
He's 10 years old. Yeah. He basically
So you get the
used
timing
a,
from that.
He looked. What are those called again? Like the light sensors.
Yeah.
Not rotary coders, but the other ones. Or actually, it might be a
I think that is a rotary coder. Yeah.
Yeah, he made his own rotary encoder.
Well. Okay. Well. Okay. Wait a second. Rotary encoder. There's a counter, right?
Yeah, he used 2
And then-
LEDs to make sure that he can find direction. Go to my page.
Okay, so that's it. But there's one where you can do it with you'll actually like have position, like degrees. But yeah, this one's a
that's what he did,
counter.
Kevin. Why is this guy screaming, go to my page?
Go to your page, dude. Oh, wait a second. All right. Let me see. It's probably a clip of me. Did you do a clip of me? Is it that?
I think that is his Twitch name.
He has like a. I don't know your page unless you message me on Hold on a second. He's on
Discord?
Twitch.
Why am I getting emails from Amazon? Oh, my URLs were updated. Thanks, Amazon.
Hold on a second. Let me go to Twitch here.
Wait, Spartan, can you change my name? Nice.
Are you streaming now? No, that's not you.
Fazer o recrutamento de vocês bem rápido. É rapidinho.
É pra valer a pena, né? Só tem que valorizar o cargo, né?
What the fuck?
Então, João Kaká, ninguém não achou eles não, os dois grupos.
está olhando.
Yeah, I don't know your YouTube. I was hoping to be on here. Anyways.
It's the low-cost configuration using the optical sensors and DC motors from old printers. The sensor discs are cut from cardboard and coated with paint to make them water resistant. The machine is adjusted just roughly, thus I did not expect to get perfect results. The software is also quick and dirty without adopting any parameters but the steps per millimeter. Nonetheless, the engraved glass looks really good. The endpoints of the paths hit their starting points at this 12 x 11 cm graphic. Next test was milling on a copper-plated board. With the prototype software I can't process Gerber files, thus the Hackaday logo was used with a special border. In the first run it was milled in the dimensions 2 x 2 cm. And in the second run it was scaled
he's building a
4
circuit
x
board.
4 cm.
I think.
Even in a very close look, the edges don't look too bad considering the cheap router motor and V-bit. The solder dots simulate a 2.5mm grid as used on prototyping boards. In the last test run I'm using aluminum and a 1mm router bit. Processing solid metal without adjusting the
just
mechanics
screwed it
and
straight
software
in.
parameters cost me a router bit.
He just
When
screwed
having
it
a
straight
close
in.
look at the result, you should consider that the logo is just 1.5 x 1.5 cm. Future results with adjusted parameters will give better outputs. You can download the full resolution sample pictures on Hackaday. There is a lot to be done, so let's go back to the workbench. Thanks for watching and I'll be back.
Interesting. All right. Yeah, there's like an auto encoder, rotary encoder. Then there's like a there's one where it knows the position. It might be auto encoder. Auto encoder. Oh, never mind. All right, let's code. I don't know if I lost you, Comfy, but I don't hear you. Yeah, might as well. I don't think. Did I code any today? Holy shit. I should have just played games. I should have just played fucking games. All right. I think I'm gonna have like a. We got workers. Let's have like a. I'm gonna make another worker. And this will be TW worker chat, I guess. Worker video. I'm gonna like worker video. And
my mic was muted.
The mic was muted. All right. Mic was muted. Yeah. I was like, I can't hear you any longer.
It's like, it seems like you're trying to do two things. You're trying to have this do scheduled jobs, and you're also trying to have it like live look for people.
Yeah, it's gonna be separate. It'll be like, sorry, shit, I fucked up.
What happened? mic gone?
I was calibrating my mic.
Okay.
I was getting background hissing from the fans. I got several fans. And
Yeah, I can't hear them at all. That's crazy.
yeah. Let me see if I can turn this off. Hello? You can really hear it here. Like when I talk.
Yeah, I can't even hear it.
Here, let me turn the thing back on. But I can hear when I talk. It goes. But now it's back on. I don't hear the shh. So yeah, it'll be like doing that too. It'll be like I want to be able to add stuff in and be able to update stuff. All TW worker. This will be like chat. All in real time.
I think like the best thing is to like for now, just to do it through files, and then you can transfer it to a database.
Yeah.
But what I was thinking is like have a file full of VTubers or YouTubers or whoever of like who you want to like look at at the beginning of the day, or to be scanning, and then just have it like look at that file like every, I don't know, minute to see if it got updated, and if it doesn't, then just like keep with the current.
Mm-hmm.
And then you could scan for if the stream's live with the Twitch API.
If the stream's live with the I'll have something on there doing that. Like it'll be like I'll check everything like well, it's best to have times to see if they're live, because if they see that you're like going to those pages all the time, especially like YouTube, they'll fucking.
Well, with the Twitch API, it's like kind of above board.
Yeah.
They don't really like it's understood that you're using them, like bots are using them, so it'll be fine.
I wonder what the YouTube one, like, can't they send you a signal like when stuff's. Can't they send you a signal like they're gonna start something? Like that's how you get like how do you
use email?
Email? Yeah, I was thinking about doing email.
Email would probably be best, but you could also use the YouTube API.
Yeah.
I mean, it's available on all Google accounts. I don't know. Let me check. ChatGPT. Does the YouTube API allow you to see when a channel go live?
Yeah, like channel alerts, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet again.
With a simple, you can query live broadcasts and check if the status is up and coming, telling, or live.
So they make you query it all the time. They don't want to send a signal out.
Yeah.
That sounds like a waste.
Well, I mean, like, that would be called a webhook, and then you would have to set something up, so it would have to go into your house.
Yeah.
Or you would have to set up a Lambda in AWS and have that receive it. But yeah, it does. You're gonna have to do polling.
Yeah.
That's what this process is called.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd be pulling on it the whole time, which I don't mind.
Typically, a polling rate of like 1 minute or 1 to 5 minutes is okay.
I wonder how many. I can kind of understand why they want you to check.
But yeah, you can use the YouTube API to like query channels.
All right. Yeah, because like they send out like messages like on my phone, so it's just like they send that a signal.
That's through the client, but yeah, I mean, like if you want to set it up through like an email or something, and then but then you would have to continuously scan your email because it doesn't push out messages to like an API. So you'd be doing effectively the same thing.
This is Comfy Boy Ty.
Hello.
Okay, so where do I do this? Oh crap. Let me check out your channel. Did you do like a thing for me? Of me? Oh, I gotta do it here. I'm getting all these Thai chicks.
Is that not what you wanted?
Yeah. What's on your channel? Crazy moments from Ty's favorite VTubers. Oh shit.
Nice.
Oh shit, dude. Do you make the song?
Chat, petition to show this video to Pablo. Show this entire body cam footage to her ex-husband. Yes.
Ex-husband. There we go.
Get your ass up!
They're actually playing body count bingo. That's hilarious.
Oh. Did they win?
All right.
Well, that's rude. You probably shouldn't do that.
You always win at body count bingo. There's so much crazy shit on there.
You have plenty of space. Hey guys.
I don't know. I thought I recognized the street at first.
Guys.
Size matters. She would see that shit. I really like the Gap band too. How'd I get like the special like? I have like a new appreciation like this year for the Gap band.
I'm so
Zoom in.
fucking sick and tired.
Oh, wait a second.
Of having
Smug got it.
Gay pride flag. Gay
I wasn't
pride
looking.
flags
I thought I got the special
shoved in
banner.
Every single fucking video game that I play, and that's That's coming from someone who completely supports gay rights, by the way. Imagine the people who are indifferent. I don't fucking care who you have sex with, bro. I don't care who you're attracted to.
Doing
who
the
suck
butt.
a dick, you know, like I'm happy for you, but for the love of
Bow,
God,
bow, bow, bow.
stop putting this bullshit in my fucking video games.
This game better be good power. I'm telling you right now, boy. It has mostly positive 119 times. It has to be good. No? And not just that, it cost me $43. It cost me
Did you do that?
$43.
Zoom in.
Sorry. A little sensitive there.
My alarm's already set.
I gave you a mustache. Wait, let me see. My God, guys, why you kind of looking kind of sexy today, my chat? God, that Nemesis.
Did he make that?
In your life, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, is this
Nemesis,
is this
like, yeah, that's
Places?
so hard
The
the
live.
for a second.
What do you call it again?
Guys, thank you so much
It's
for the
like that
hype, Tim. I do
pixel art
appreciate
thing.
it. Thank you
Yeah.
guys. What a boss.
But I think this is like a G-roid. I think he has like a V-roid or whatever the fuck it is.
Hey, God, what comment are you doing today?
People are really
Why am I
talented at
getting
making
tomato
those.
on? You guys don't like it or something? You guys fucking hate me. Okay, fuck you all. Stop talking about a sexy boy. Hello, Stratus. What are you doing today? Bro, Stratus. Can you tell? Are you fucking okay by any chance?
Wait a second. Is that motherfucker using Windows 8? Is he using Windows 8?
Are you fucking okay?
No, he's using 11.
That's 11. You can have it on the side like that? I thought you can only have it on the middle.
Yeah. No, you
Shut the
right-click on
fuck
the
up.
bar, and then you could say, you didn't know that?
No. I thought I was stuck
Yeah,
on the
I did that-
sniddle.
I looked up that instantaneously as soon as I got it. I'm like, I'm not fucking doing this.
I can't even
Yeah,
fucking.
you just like, you right click on the taskbar and you go to taskbar settings.
Yeah.
And then it's taskbar behaviors and then taskbar alignment left.
Oh, you can't even go right. You have to hit
No.
OK or something.
No, you just put taskbar left and then it automatically does it for you.
Oh, you have to exit out of it. I don't know. Actually, I think I like in the middle for my streaming PC. It's too far over. All right.
The thing that pisses me off is that they got rid of like the taskbar on the side.
Yeah.
Remember how you could have it like on Ubuntu?
Yeah. Just have it on the side. Yeah, you could like couldn't you just like grab it and bring it over?
Yeah.
Like you hold on to it and you like literally just grab it and like bring it down. That used to be an option.
Bunny chance.
I kind of like having the taskbar hidden in the special menu for GNOME. Where you hit the left corner and then it automatically blows everything up.
I couldn't handle with the Windows resizing.
Yeah.
Because it'll be like full screen and then I hit this and it'll be like, it'll all like fucking change. I kind of like it on the side. Okay, so I like it on the side because it seems like it doesn't take up as much space. Like real estate. If you have it on the bottom, it like takes up everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, thanks for, I think that was the first time I've ever been put in a clip. Thank you. But I think like, that wasn't the Gap Band playing. That was like, I think that was Cameo. Cameo's like freaking crazy. I love it.
Cameo?
Yeah.
Like the site?
No.
Or is that a VTuber?
No. Cameo. Cameo, baby. Wait a second. What is this? Personalized videos of your favorite stars?
Oh, that Cameo.
Website? No. Cameo. Musician, like musicians. They're goofy. When did they last like make something? Announced a new residency, Las Vegas Resort Casino. 2016 to present. They're goofy, man. Yeah, good times.
Good times.
Oh, Atlanta artists. All right, man, I got like no coding done.
Do you want to save the database stuff for another time?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it later. I gotta fix my one thing, fix Proxmox, but I'm gonna do all the stuff, like the pulling and all that stuff. But yeah, I'll eventually do it.
If you do reinstall Proxmox, run that command to expand the local. It helps a lot.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'll do that. Actually, I think I'm gonna get off now. I'm gonna go to bed.
I gotta keep going too.
So
nice talking to you, man.
Nice talking too. Sorry, like everything fucked up. I should have reset my PC. But I'm glad the NVMe drive's still there.
Yeah, just ping me and I'll send you all the files and how to. I'll actually probably make an instruction on how to set up.
Yeah. Half the time, like this shit's like I'm trying to figure out like how people fucking do this shit. And then I know I'm just gonna forget about it.
Like you just like you learn by drowning.
Yeah. Well, you learn it all, and then like you're not gonna touch it for like 2 years, and then you gotta fucking relearn it all. I don't know. I don't know if it's because of my age or what, but like I completely forget it.
I get it.
Yeah. Unless I was like setting up like all the time, like as a job.
Yeah.
That's the only time I like remember it all. I usually like write notes. I do like a good job of that.
I try to write some documentation and then keep it in GitHub. That's usually what I try to do.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Or like I heard Discord's good for taking notes. Set up like a private thing.
I mean, like what I do is I have a repository called infrastructure, and then I keep like all of my setup files in there, and then how I set it up.
Ah, yeah. I'm gonna need something like that. Like, holy fuck, I got all these programs. I want to move away from Ubuntu, but I just can't fucking do it yet.
You doing Fedora or?
I don't even think I want Fedora. I think I'm gonna do Omarchy or Omaki or the Omarchy.
It's a good one.
Yeah, because I know he's not gonna do like, he's not gonna have like the age verification. So even though it's like it's not gonna be the most stable because it runs Arch.
A little word of warning. So it's encrypted by default. So so it'll encrypt your entire drive.
Oh, yeah, I don't like that. Because something catastrophic happens, I'm fucked.
Basically.
Or I'll lose the encryption somewhere.
And you can't even, well, I mean, you can set it up so that you can like remote into it, but it's hard.
Yeah, I'm not worried about people like breaking into my house to steal my data. Yeah. It's not like I put
girls.
I don't put like anything like too important on there. Like I do put on like my iPad though.
Yeah,
sorry.
I mean, for things that I care about, well, I need to encrypt my stuff. That's why I have like BitLocker on my Windows PCs.
Yeah.
But for most things, if I'm like not doing anything crazy like my servers, I don't encrypt it.
Yeah. I have like one. I decided to encrypt. Holy shit! I don't even know if I have the key anywhere.
Oh yeah, fun fact, BitLocker is uploaded directly to Microsoft nowadays. So if you're ever investigated by the FBI, they can request that Microsoft give them the keys.
Oh my gosh. Fuck. Yeah, I won't use that. I'll make my own encryptions. I'm sure that someone has like an encryption thing somewhere.
It's called Luke's.
Luke's.
It's made for Ubuntu and all other Linux distributions.
Yeah, I made like a separate pool, but now
there's also a way of like just encrypting the home folder, which is probably the best way of doing it.
Oh, but the thing is, like, I'm bad, man. I don't fucking even like my computer. Like, never like locks, like my desktop.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't even lock. So it's just always on.
PC, it has a it currently has a 5 hour timeout period.
Timeout at work. Well, like if I was at school, I just hit like Windows L, right?
Yeah, I would just hit the I would hit the power button if I leave, but if I want to just keep it on because I'm like either doing something else or in a meeting, then I'll just keep it on.
Yeah, I usually just keep my shit on. Because if I want to lock it, I'll just lock it. I don't want to like auto lock it on me.
Yeah.
Because I'm usually sitting around it anyway, and I just don't need it.
Windows has a really good way of getting into it, because you could use fingerprint, you can use face scan, and then you can use PIN.
Oh.
I wish Linux had something like that, but I can understand why they didn't want that.
Yeah. They should have some like more built-in features or like make it more easier for AI stuff on Linux. I don't know.
They're probably going to do that within like a couple of years. I
Yeah.
imagine they're going to make a distro specifically for AI.
There should be one like where you can easily integrate it in. At least someone should have like a package that's like.
I mean, I have. I think I sent a picture. The picture I sent called One Panel. That's made specifically for AI. You install it, and it gives like all the tools for like an AI. One Panel is pretty cool, though. It's a very slimmed down version of like, what is it called again?
Is it one title? You said
Webmin One Panel.
One Panel.
with the number 1.
Oh.
Yeah, that one, the first one. You can like control an entire like server with this. It's meant for VPCs.
What is a VPC?
A virtual private server.
Oh.
So VM in the cloud.
Okay.
But yeah, this thing is
why do they
great
do
at,
this shit?
monitoring Docker containers.
How do they write this stuff? Like, is this like they have like?
That's just a plugin.
Like, why do they do it like it's like a 2-year-old did it?
I don't know, but it's silly.
Just never understood that.
Hey, you need some silly stuff every once in a while.
Yeah, I guess. It's just like, it's like they had AI write it, or like print it or something.
That project's old.
This one is. I've just been seeing them recently.
Well, the graph's old from what I remember.
Yeah.
It's called Star History, I think. Yeah, Star History.
Star History.
When were you made?
I think I saw it with Claw Code. All your base are belong to us.
Your base.
All your base are belong to us. All right.
Okay. Oh, I guess it is pretty new.
How new is it? It's like
I'm trying to go back to like when it was made.
They've been blogging since January 2022.
22 is pretty new.
It's hard to say nowadays. Everything's going so fast. All right. I'm going to call it here. So.
Same.
All right. Have a good one, man.
Have a good one. Talk to you soon.
All right. Later.
Later.
Hey, everybody. I'm out of here. Sorry. I can't fucking see my screen. We're going to have to do something different tomorrow. I think I might play a game or maybe make a clip or something like that. So I'm getting burnt out, and I didn't even get a lick of anything done today. My goodness gracious. So yeah, this is the hard part. That's why I'm kind of dragging my feet a bit. So this is truly the hard part. Yeah. When you gotta like really think about shit. So, but anyways, I appreciate y'all, and thank you very much, and have a good one. Bye-bye, everybody. I'm out of here. Audi 5000.